Welcome to RonaksTech, your place, SQL learning zone. Today, let's understand how to print output and use conditional logic inside place, SQL programs. Part 1. Input and output with dbms_output, put_line. In place, SQL, we don't use print. Instead, we use a built-in procedure called dbms_output, put_line to display output to the screen. The example is in your screen, which shows here. The string inside put_line gets printed in the output window. Here, begin starts the block, and dbms_output, put_line prints the message. Don't forget to end the block with end. The next example shows printing a variable with using concatenation operator. Part 2. Conditional statements in place, SQL. Place, SQL supports powerful decision-making with if conditions, just like other programming languages. 1. If statement. If condition then, statements. And if condition true then statement executes. The example shows how if executes. Two. If else statement in the given syntax shows how if else works. If condition true then true statement executes, else false statement execute. The example shows how if executes. 3. If else statement. This work like first if, then ELSIF, and last else. If condition true then if statement part executes, else ELSIF part execute, and if both condition doesn't match then else executes. The example shows how if executes.